Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, November 3rd. Wow, we are getting into the holiday season here pretty soon here. We got kind of a lighter day today. We got factory orders for the month of September. So back in August, it was actually revised from a negative 1.7 to 2.1%. So even worse than the factory orders in the month of August. And the forecast was at 0.9% for September, and it was even worse than that. So factory orders have pulled back considerably. Which we saw a lot of manufacturing. If you recall, back in Philadelphia and New York region, they had a contraction in those areas too. So so this really isn't too unexpected coming up here. Stock market's a little mixed today. They're kind of taking their cues from earnings reports today, and also you're starting to see a lot of investors kind of refocusing on what holdings they have. They're looking at, okay, earnings are coming out, but they're pretty lackluster. Not a whole lot are, about 51% of the reportings coming out are above expectations, but they're not bad, but they're not really any good. They're so-so. And with the Fed talking about maybe raising rates as soon as December, this is kind of weighing on a lot of investors' minds that maybe they're in an overbought position. So there could be a change on the horizon in terms of where the stock market is. So right now it's a little on the mixed side of things today. Today the bond market again not so good today. As you see the red, which is down, we're down about 16 basis points where we left off. We are kind of now, it looks like we're going to be kind of trapped below this 200-day moving average, and it's going to be a little difficult to get up above that. Now, for us to get above that, I think if we do it this week, it'll be basically Friday, and Friday's the jobs numbers. Now, if those jobs numbers come out really good, and surprise everybody, I think we could break above that, because what will happen is the stock market will not be really concerned about a Fed hike in December with good jobs numbers being reported this month. So I think. But again, I'm personally not expecting a good jobs number. As we've been last couple months, we've been right around 130, 140 range of new jobs being created. Whereas beginning of the year, we were above 200,000. And the only time I think we'll have some improvement is the temporary jobs for November and December. And the jobs reports being reported this Friday will be basically for October. All right, folks, so today pricing's working a little bit on interest rates as a result, but we'll have to kind of wait and see. We're kind of stuck behind this 200-day moving average again, and we may not see this. So basically what that means is it's going to be tough to get up above that level again. We were for the past month. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.